Welcome to Genius Wave. Today we'll help our hungry parrot add up how much watermelon he ate. Our parrot loves watermelon. He found 2 watermelons. One is cut into 5 equal slices and the other into 10 slices. He ate 3 slices from the 5-slice melon and 5 slices from the 10-slice melon. Now he wants to know, how much watermelon did he eat in total? So we're adding 3/5 plus 5/10. We can't add them yet. The bottom numbers, denominators, are different. One is 5 and the other is 10. Let's find a common denominator so the pieces are the same size. Change to equivalent fractions. Now let's change 3/5 into something over 10. Let's find the common denominator. Let's list the multiples of 5 and 10. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, and so on. Multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, and so on. 10 is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 10. So, common denominator is 10. Hence, convert this denominator to 10. Multiply top and bottom by 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now we're adding 6/10 plus 5/10. Since the bottoms are the same, we can add the tops. 6/10 plus 5/10 equals 11/10. That's an improper fraction. It's more than one whole. Let's turn it into a mixed number. 11/10 equals 1 whole and 1/10 left. So the parrot ate more than 1 watermelon. He ate 1 and 1/10 watermelons total. Here's our hungry turtle. He loves pizza just like you and me. He had 2 different pizzas. One pizza was sliced into 4 equal parts. The other pizza was sliced into 2 equal parts. The turtle ate 3 out of 4 slices from the first pizza and 1 out of 2 slices from the second pizza. Now, we want to find out, how much more did the turtle eat from the first pizza than the second? Let's subtract. 3/4 minus 1/2. Wait a second. The denominators, the numbers on the bottom, are different. We can't subtract until the slices are the same size. Find a common denominator. Let's find a common multiple of 4 and 2. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. Multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6. The lowest common multiple is 4. Make equivalent fractions. The first fraction, 3/4, already has a denominator of 4, so we keep it. Now we change 1/2 into something with 4 on the bottom. Multiply top and bottom by 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 1/2 equals 2/4. Now we're ready. 3/4 minus 2/4 equals 1/4. The turtle ate 1/4 more pizza from the first pizza than the second. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.